2017 GMC 4500 Cutaway. This is a 14-foot van body with an attic. Coming down the passenger side here, you do have a side entrance to the body, as well as a fold-out step. This just tucks away right here, like that. Open up this door. Now inside the body, previous owner had these toolboxes installed. So there's the attic up there. It does have 3 bright LED lights, E-track on the sides. This body is in great condition. Now coming down the chassis, that's the power wire for the lift gate in the back. And coming back to the lift gate, this is a rail gate rated for 1,500 pounds. It is self-folding and unfolding. Back here. Go ahead and open up the box. Here's a view from the back side. Show you the lift gate will fold up on its own. It's a Tommy gate here. These fold down. Try to get my foot on it. Like that there. It catches on the bottom of the gate and then folds itself back in. The only manual effort is to push this back forward and drop it back down into place. Coming around to the driver's side here. There's your fuel fill. This is a gasoline engine. Let's take a peek in the cab here. Interior is in very clean condition. No tears in the seats. Looks like we got 140 on the dash. This does have a new transmission that comes with a 2-year warranty. If you have any questions, feel free to call Dylan at 727-484-8583.